Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your chat wallpaper on Telegram using the latest update. If you want to personalize your chats and make them look more unique, this is a simple feature you'll definitely enjoy. Let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see all your chats. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. This will open up the side panel where you can access different settings and options. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Telegram experience. Now scroll a little and tap on Chat Settings. Inside this section, you'll find all the options related to how your chats look and feel. Once you're in Chat Settings, tap on Change Chat Wallpaper. This will open the wallpaper selection screen. Here, you can browse through Telegram's built-in wallpapers, choose a solid color, or even pick an image from your own gallery. Take your time and select a wallpaper that matches your style. After choosing your preferred wallpaper, tap on Set Background. Instantly, your chat background will update, giving your conversations a fresh new look. And that's it. Your Telegram chats now have a brand new appearance, making your messaging experience more personal and enjoyable. If you like customizing your apps, this is a great way to add a touch of personality to your daily conversations.